In this video, we'll study how to work with text window. The tags are shown in the table. The first column contains the tag name. The second column contains the tag's value. The third column contains the tag's input source. Pointer is in string format and it depends on server. To create a new tag, right-click on the window and choose Appropriate Menu item. To copy and delete tag, click Appropriate Menu items. You can also delete all tags from your project. To have possibility to edit tag directly in the table, choose Set Editable Menu item. To edit tag properties, click Appropriate Menu item. You can also do it by double-clicking on the tag. To create a new tags group, choose Appropriate Menu item and then Name. To create a new tags subgroup, right-click on the tags group and choose New Tags subgroup. To add tag to the group and subgroup, you can use Appropriate Menu item and also by using drag and drop. If you want to find objects and scripts which use this tag, you have to use Reference to Menu item. Let's bind this tag to the graphical object and check it. You can export tags and then input them into the other projects. You can also export text for OPC UA. About this possibility, watch video in the link below. To export text to Excel file, use Appropriate Menu item. You can work with this file as you want. Also, you can use this file to input text into the other project. Thank you for watching.